Welcome. If you've ever posted a comment on your Facebook page and wanted to look back at your comment history, the latest Facebook update makes this easier than ever. In this guide, I'll walk you through the quick and simple steps to find all your comments using the Facebook app on your PC. Let's get started. First, open the Facebook app on your computer. It might seem straightforward, but make sure you're using the official Facebook app for PC. Once it's open, look towards the top right corner of your screen. You'll see your page's profile photo there. Click on that photo to access your page profile. Now that you're on your page, it's time to dive into the settings. Look for the section labeled Settings and Privacy. This is usually found in the drop-down menu after clicking your profile photo. Click on Settings and Privacy, and then select Activity Log from the options that appear. Your activity log is like a time machine for everything you've done on your page. But right now, we're interested in your comments. On the left side of the activity log, you'll see different categories tracking your activity. Find the Comments option and click on it. Once you're in the Comments section, you'll see a complete list of every comment you've made on your page. This includes the posts you've commented on, the content of each comment, and the exact time they were posted. It's an easy way to keep track of conversations, respond to interactions you might have missed, or simply review your past engagement. That's all there is to it. The new Facebook update makes navigating your page's comment history fast and painless. Take a few minutes to explore the activity log and see what else you can track. Posts, likes, reactions, and more. All available in one convenient place. Thanks for watching.